Bad gas back on the market. Energy Minister holds urgent meeting with Petrojam's technical team. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, a prostitution of the justice system. Trade unionist reacts to settlement payout by Petrojam. Access restricted. Erie Castle Bridge in Stony Hill collapses. We have the images. And no need to worry. Agriculture Minister gives assurance to cane farmers in Clarendon. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.